Imagine launching an online store that not only reflects your unique brand but also engages and grows with your audience seamlessly. Welcome to the world of Shopify, the ultimate platform for turning your e-commerce dreams into reality. Today, we're diving deep into Shopify's ecosystem, exploring its core features, the ease of setting up your store, the unparalleled benefits, comprehensive pricing tiers, and the revolutionary role of AI in crafting your online presence. Plus, we've got an exclusive offer for our viewers. Make sure to check out our affiliate link in the description. Welcome to Joom Talks. I'm your host, Joom. Let's embark on this journey together. At its heart, Shopify is a robust e-commerce platform designed to help you create, manage, and scale your online store. It's a one-stop shop for web hosting, design, customization, inventory management, secure payments, and much more. Whether you're launching your first store or looking to expand your online footprint, Shopify caters to every aspect of your e-commerce venture. Setting up a store on Shopify is a breeze, but let's delve into the details. After signing up, you're prompted to name your store, a crucial step in establishing your brand. Next, we'll explore Shopify's theme store, a treasure trove of professionally designed templates. Customization is key. With intuitive design tools, you tailor the theme and feel of your store to match your brand perfectly. Adding products is straightforward, and configuring payment and shipping options is equally hassle-free. With Shopify, your store could be live in a matter of hours. Shopify isn't just user-friendly, it's power-packed with features to elevate your store. Customization options are vast, ensuring your store stands out. Security is top-notch, providing peace of mind for you and your customers. The platform is built to scale, growing effortlessly with your business. Plus, with over 6,000 apps in the Shopify App Store, extending your store's capabilities is limitless. Shopify's pricing is designed to fit a wide range of needs, starting from $29 per month for basic Shopify plan to $299 per month for the advanced Shopify plan. Each tier offers more sophisticated features and reduced transaction fees, ensuring you can select the perfect plan to match your business's scale and growth ambitions. AI is transforming how Shopify stores are built and operated. From AI chatbots that enhances customer service to intelligent SEO optimization tools, the impact is profound. AI-driven analytics offer insights into customer behavior, enabling personalized shopping experience and targeted marketing strategies. Let's get hands-on with AI to build your store. After installing an AI app like Shopify Store Builder, you input your preference and the AI works its magic, suggesting a store design, product lineup, and even marketing tactics based on data-driven insights. This isn't just about saving time, it's about leveraging AI to create a store that optimized for success from day one. The journey to launching your Shopify store empowered by AI starts now. Click the Shopify link in the description to sign up for Shopify and take advantage of an exclusive offer for our viewers. This is more than just starting a store. It's about creating a brand that resonates and grows. If you're ready to take the leap, into e-commerce. Shopify and AI are your steadfast allies. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Shopify and the transformative power of AI. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into making your e-commerce dreams a reality. Your future as a successful online store owner is just a click away. Begin your adventure with Shopify today.